at the Texas Woodworking Festival. It's pretty cool. I just got in, got my wristband, got my raffle ticket, got my drink token. Yeah, now I'm just going to kind of walk around and see what is what. This is pretty exciting. So there's a lot of people here. They said last year there were 750 people that showed up. This year, 800 plus pre-sales, plus, you know, at the door. So there's a lot of people here, a lot of cool vendors. April Wilkinson's here. I was like sitting in line and she actually called me out. Her and her mom called me out wearing my 4-Eye shirt. She's like, "Oh, do you support Chris?" And I was like, "Oh, yeah. I bought some plans." And then we got started talking about how she helps him with the plans. And I bought the desk wire plans, which I'm going to make a video of that, building that soon. But, yeah, so I took a selfie with her. Felt kind of weird, but here it is. Yeah, there's me being weird. But got my Fireman's Fork. I'm just kind of sitting back. There's going to be some demos here in a little bit. I'll get some film of that, hopefully. Man, I'm excited about this. I might have to get a booth next year. I don't know. I don't know if I'm that level yet, but I know I'm not. But I got a year, so we'll see. All right, let's go look at some more stuff.
Stay close to the line, and then just a half an inch of pressure. So, turn the vacuum on. And then I just need to move the machine a little bit. And when I go here, I can hold on the green button, and if you want the spindle, it automatically works. So that's the correction.
Wow, that's real cool. Urban Wood Network Texas chapter. Check this out.
On top of that, we've created this integrated cyclone and dump bin via rotomulling. So people familiar with Yeti coolers?
Yeah.
This is the same process that is made for the coolers that makes this.
Oh, wow.
That means no seams. There's no unnecessary.
So I picked the right attire today. Shirt got me in a little conversation with April Wilkinson. Hat just got me a free beer. I was standing there kind of just looking around, and a guy walked up and said, "Nice hat, let me buy you a beer." I was like, "Oh, what?" And he introduced himself, and his name is Aaron, and he is the general manager of all the woodcraft stores in Texas. There's 6 of them, 2 in DFW, 2 in the Houston area, 1 here in Austin, 1 in San Antonio. And he just took me over in line. We stood there, talked, chatted. Really nice guy. Introduced me to his brother Paul, who also is one of the general managers for all the stores. And really nice guy. Thanks Woodcraft for putting this on and helping sponsor it. And to all the vendors, I'm having a blast. Thanks Aaron for the beer. And let's go see what they have to eat. Some live demos. Real neat. Here's a probably a pretty cheap slab. I'd say this is at least $20 for that slab. Wow. Drew Fisher uses these. They look really cool. Yeah, this is compared to like DeWalt. There's almost
very different.
No. Oh man.
Vibration and all that.
And the weight's really good too. That's how the professionals do it. I'm on my phone. Man alive. So cool. There's April again and her mom. The line for the beer. Oh, Stegosaurus. I'll really know that's Daddy's favorite. There now. Day's coming to an end. Such a great, great time. So everything's wrapping up. This is super, super, super cool. I had such a good time. I'm so glad that I came. I hope to come again and maybe even have a booth. And there's April Wilkinson again. So yeah, I jokingly told my friends this was going to be an old man convention, and I am way, way off on that. This is so cool. There's so many different types of people here, and I learned a lot. Learned a lot about different products, learned a lot about different techniques, and can't wait for next year. I will be getting a booth. Fingers crossed. I have to make a lot of stuff. We'll see. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, look in the links below for different products that I saw, and yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think maybe next year I should get a booth or not? And with that, I'm out. I waited for the last raffle and won nothing. What an experience. Super, super fun. We'll see you next year. Thanks. Demo. I'll give you a behind the scenes look. It's where the magic happens. Behind the scenes, behind the screens, dad jokes.